You want to step up to the bar, put your hands by your side, and grab the bar. That's how you know how far apart you're supposed to put your hands. Good. Now back up a bit. There we go. Get your feet a little wide on this exercise. So open them up. Perfect. Slightly bend those knees. The way you measure how far forward you're supposed to be bent is when you come down how he is right now, you want the cable to be perfectly lined up with the back muscle. So stand upright. So if he's here, look, the cable is coming this way, he's straight. So it's like this. No good. We got to have his back forward, cable like this. That's how we work it most effectively. Stick your butt out. Bend forward, because when you bring down that bar to your thighs, you want the cable to line up to your latissimus, your back muscle. Shoulders back and down, arms are nice and straight, wrists are not bent down or up, elbows slightly bent, okay? Here we go, bring it down. Perfect. When you bring it down, I want you to push out your chest. Roll those shoulders back and down. Get that nice squeeze, nice solid squeeze in your back muscles. The way you know how high you come, you want your hands to come up where they meet the shoulder. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down, pop out that chest, squeeze your back, keep your face nice and straight. You see that lat working? Look at that. Bam!